परमेश्वराच्या नावान हांव आयज एक डिसिजन घेवपाक आसा दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू डिक्लेअर माय सेल्फ एज अ इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट फॉर कालांगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी असेंब्ली इलेक्शन. My name is Philip Fernandez and I'm from Kalangut, Madhavada. And foremost, I want to thank the press for coming in on with a short notice. Why I want to contest this election is because I have suffered tremendously. And I have seen that there is not development, but there is developed mess. Drainage has become a gutter. Drainage has become a gutter where lot of people are leaving their sewage inside. If the Zika project which was commissioned is not functioning, then there should be another provision scientifically, like where you put some enzymes or some bacteria in the septic tanks which can be provided through government or through the panchayat bodies and enlighten the people how to make this thing, because these enzymes, as I have known, they eat the waste and give out water, with what the water level of Kalangut constituency, which is very bad. And even though the water level is bad, there are projects which have been passed. There have been 2 levels dug inside the soil, project has been passed. Kalangut has recently witnessed in Tivaivado a project which was just given out without any ABCD, just given out by using mispower. So what my thing is to do the water level, the destruction of the fields, the sand dunes, the mountains which are cut. If I'm given an opportunity, I will not give the Kalangut people challenges which the Kalangut people are facing now. Every now and then the people of Kalangut has to come out on the street. CCF, which is fighting for the well-being of Kalangut constituency, will find rest. People of Kalangut constituency will find rest. In my power, in my hand, I will not give them challenges. See, you cannot wipe up totally anything. There will be flaws. In Maharashtra, there is one place called Hivri Bazar. Hivri Bazar was a place which was deserted, and it's like a model village for whole of India. And that has been achieved by one person, Pawar. And I am also following. Every person has a role model. And I have this role model that you can follow this system always with the cooperation of the people of its constituency, can achieve anything what they want. Garbage segregation. Simple garbage like vegetable waste and all can be not thrown in the garbage. It can be easily dug in the pit where you can use it in the garden. Lot of things. That the most important thing is manipulation, administrative manipulation. Administrative manipulation means the other day in Kandolim, a demolition was done. See, I'm not against the law. You can demolish, but give them an opportunity. Give them an opportunity to defend themselves. Not given an opportunity to defend oneself is not in the book of law. So, we have to work together, do a developed planning. The most important challenge of Kalangut constituency is water. Water and manipulation by administrative. I have suffered under administrative manipulation. I've spent 2 years in the prison and I have suffered this, and this is what I want to do. Kalangut constituency need rest. Rest, and then you regain your thing and properly, systematically do what we have to do. United. There is not a single tree if you want to go and sit down. Everything is cut. The sand dunes are destroyed. Pavers are put in Kalangut constituency, but beyond the pavers there is a property. With interest was for their personal gains. I have nothing to lose, but I have a lot to give. And given an opportunity, I will always stand up along with the people of Kalangut constituency, because till now nobody is standing with the people. They are helpless in the hands of police. And you see the people of Kalangut constituency are law abiding because even your house was broken, but they stood silently and they just watched pleading. And people of Kalangut don't need freebies. तेंचे तर तांकां तर धंदो चलोवपाक तो सिस्टमॅटिकली पंचायतीन आनी गव्हर्मेंटान तर एसिस्ट केले जाल्यार आमकां फुकट कांयच नाका वयल्यान आमी दिवंक शकता. पंचायत टॅक्स वाडयलें कोणानूच चाप काडूंक ना, ट्युरिजम टॅक्स वाडयलें कोणानूच चाप काडूंक ना, पूण आमकां 2 वर्सां पॅन्डेमिकाक कांयच मेळोंक ना. सो दीस इज वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू से. एंड इंडिपेंडंट ऑफ गॉड देवा परमेश्वराच्या नांवान मायकल लोबोन एक स्टेटमेंट केलोलो, डू नॉट टेस्ट गॉड. आनी हांव आयज स्टेटमेंट करतां त्याच देवाचेर हांव भावाट धरून, पिता परमेश्वराचेर भावाट धरून ताका हांव टेस्ट करता आनी त्याच्या नांवान हांव आयज हें डिसिजन घेता दॅट आय वील कॉन्टेस्ट इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट फॉर कालांगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी असेंब्ली इलेक्शन. Been too much because party is always attached to somebody outsider. So when you are attached to a party, then you are obliged to follow some things of theirs. Then you don't have anything in your hands. अजून पत्त्यान हाय कमांड आनी हाय ऑर्डर आनी हांव कितें ताका लागून हांव पार्टीक बसपाक म्हाका इवन इन फ्युचर आय डोंट लायक टू बी इन अ पार्टी. आय वील बी इन अ सपोर्टीव with together but not in a party because then there is too much. I better will not contest. Even if tomorrow somebody approach me with a party ticket, I will not. I don't want. Thank you.
Money
If wrong. Money power is not important. The confidence of the people is important. आयज तुका तो 2000 दिलो जाल्यार त्या 2000 people कितले फारीक करता. What is the price they are paying for the 2000? Last time for election, somebody came with 2000. What is worth? What is worth? Money is not important at all. We have been made to believe that money is important. And I don't believe that. That is why I will not campaign, neither I have a manifesto. Because nobody has maintained the manifesto. Campaigning is just to show your majority and this thing. And in this pandemic time, I don't believe, campaigning is the hatyar of the weak person. That I have to go and brainwash you. I have to brainwash you saying that I'll give you this, I'll give you this, I'll give you this. No. That is what my thing. I will not also campaign. Neither I will have a manifesto. But as I go along, I see a piece of paper on the floor, I will pick it up. Or something has to be done, I will do. Because till now, manifesto is not maintained.
election.
I don't believe that sope asawa sope na te. Let the people of the Kalangut constituency have a change of their mind and let them decide by their thing if they want to bring me up.
Kalibab, you said, no?
Media is the strongest tool and that is the reason you all are here. Media, this thing, I might distribute flyers. Not giving a manifesto. But I will distribute a flyer saying only to people of Kalangut that vote wisely because this election is very crucial election. No MLA has been elected in Kalangut constituency twice. People of Kalangut constituency has to decide, sit down and decide within themselves what to do because that will play a very major role. That is what I कालामुटाक रेस्ट टायप ते पळय घाटर आमच्या लँग्वेजीन ते ड्रेन. आतां तूं तर वचून कोणान पळय हें सोडटा ताका हिंसाशी तो गटर म्हणटा तो. इट इज नॉट अ गटर, इट इज अ ड्रेन. आनी आमकां ड्रेनी जायो तितून कोयनीर भरल्या, उंदीर भरल्या. Very soon we might face a situation like it was in Gujarat with that rats or something like, I have seen, precaution is better than cure. So that is my thing. I am not forcing the people of Kalangut. Neither I am saying I will give a flat, neither I say I promise this. No. We have to stop for a while. Clean the mess. Congestion, traffic congestion. There can be, if you see in front of my house, there in the main road, the vehicles are parked on the main road. Where that hotel has a provision where they can make a valet parking, where they can employ one person or two persons, where they can take their car and park it behind in the parade ground, which is currently being used as a parking place.
They promises cars